Today we will start the new chapter of political and social life, that is chapter 2, prejudice and discrimination. So first of all, before starting the chapter, we will read these story. With the help of story, I will explain you what does the term prejudice means. Mansi parents and grandparents are very unhappy. So Mansi's parents and grandparents, they are very unhappy. That means they are very sad. Her uncle who lived in USA has just informed that he will be marrying a girl from Africa who is his colleague. So why they are unhappy or sad? Because Mansi's uncle who lives in USA, he had just informed the family that he is going to marry a girl who is from Africa and who is his colleague. Okay, they used to work together. They have known each other for the past 4 years. So her uncle and the girl from Africa, they know each other for past 4 years. African auntie Mansi was too excited, so she referred her auntie as an African auntie and she was very excited, but she was surprised when her grandmother cried out, "Why an African girl? Anil could have married an Indian girl who stay in America. I am sure this girl is too cunning and selfish." So Mansi, she was you can say very surprised when she heard her grandmother's cried, or you can say that why his son, that is Mansi's uncle, is marrying a African girl. His uncle, that is Anil, could have married an Indian girl who stay in America. Okay, but why an African girl? Maybe this African girl is very cunning and very selfish and she is very bad. How can her new auntie be bad and selfish just because she belongs to some other country? Now Mansi, she started wondering or thinking that why her new auntie, that is African auntie, she will be bad and selfish because just because she is belongs to some other country, not India. Grandmother has not even met her, so she was that is the Mansi, she is now wondering why her grandmother is uh, telling bad things about her auntie when she had not met her even, right? Why is she being so unfair? So now these type of thinking, or you can say uh, yeah, this type of things started revolving in the Mansi's mind. So let us find out why these things are wandering in the Mansi's mind. Okay, prejudice. Like Mansi, have you also faced similar situation when people have expressed negative opinion about other people, places, or other thing based on certain preconceived notion? So just like Mansi, you, that means you students, have you ever experience these type of situation, that is the negative opinion of other people just because they belong to some other country? Okay, any unfavorable opinion that is formed without knowing the actual fact is called prejudice. So what does the term prejudice means? Prejudice means it is a unfavorable opinion, that means a thinking which is formed without knowing that particular thing is actually present or it is just an imagination. This information is known as prejudice. Prejudice affect our behavior towards a person. So prejudice, that means our negative thinking affect the our behavior towards the person. Based on a prejudice, we may become unnecessarily unfair and rude to somebody. Just because of negative thinking or negative opinion, we try to become very unfair and very rude to somebody. This unfair treatment of people on the basis of prejudice is called discrimination. The behavior which we treat, or the unfair treatment which a people they behave on the basis of prejudice, that means that is a negative opinion, that behavior is known as discrimination. That means to differentiate one person with the another on the basis of many factors, maybe religion, skin, or or their basic origin, that means from which country they belong. Just like in Mansi case, her grandmother tried to discriminate and do the prejudice on the basis of a person live in other country, not in India or the other country. Okay, look at the following statement: people in the cities lead a very comfortable life. Okay, so people in the cities, they live a very comfortable life because all the things are available at a very easy uh, rate, right? They are lazy and do not want to work hard. So the people usually who lives in a rural area, that means in the village area, they think that people lives in the cities are very comfortable life and they are very lazy, and they do, and hence they are lazy, so they do not do their work very hard. People in the villages are superstitious and backward. So what does the people uh, in the rural area, uh, or you can say what does the people who live in the urban cities, that means in the cities, just like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, they think that people who live in the villages, they are very superstitious and they are very backward. Okay, they are against any kind of development. So the people who live in the city, they think that people live in the villages, uh, they are not ready to accept the development. That's why they are very backward. All uneducated people are rude. So according to many people, they think that the person who are not educated, they are very rude. We should not mix with people who are very different from us. So it is a belief in our Indian customs that a person, we differentiate the people on the basis of their caste, color, okay, their religion, from where they belong. So these are the different types of, you can say, some kind of prejudice which we face in our day to day life, right? So let us find out why these prejudices are there, and in what forms of prejudice are performed in our Indian country. Okay, the above statement are example of prejudice. So these are the examples of prejudice. Okay, sometimes our prejudice stem from one particular incident or person, and we develop unfounded negative views about people. So what are these prejudice? Because of these negative opinion about some person or some, you can say, some community, we try to judge the people, and hence whatever we think the negative about that person or their community, that is not the actual fact. Okay, these are just the different types of negative opinion which a person have regarding the particular person or a particular community, due to which people try to develop some negative views about the different communities and different people. Prejudice is very unhealthy attitude. So prejudice is very unhealthy because these are the negative attitude, and because of this negative attitude, we try to behave rudely with those people. We should get rid of all kind of prejudice and try to judge people only after interacting with them personally and positively. So we should not keep this prejudice in our mind, because these are very unhealthy and it is not a good character of a person. Instead of judging a person without interacting, we should interact with the person, and we should know about that person personally, and think positive rather than thinking negative. So prejudice is a very unhealthy attitude, and we should avoid this in our day to day activities, because it is just the negative opinion which we think about any person or any community.